Hi guys! Hello and welcome to Play with Kids. Kids, today we are going to learn how to make a slime with Indian ingredients. Yes, that's right. It's such a task to make slime in India because we do not find the perfect ingredients. But yes, we found a solution to it and we tried to make a very good slime with the ingredients available in the market very easily. So first we will take Fevicol. The Fevicol is available in every store possible near you, and then we pour out almost half bottle of the medium size Fevicol that you get, and in that we will now mix Head and Shoulder shampoo. This shampoo is also very easily available in any store near you. I took approximately 10 pumps. No, I took approximately around 8 pumps of Head and Shoulders and give it a nice quick mix. And now I have taken the regular paint that we use for painting. As you can see, I had already added some water to the bottle because I have very little paint left. So you can add some water separately if you feel that the mixture is kind of dense. And yes, see how beautifully the colors are mixing with the solution. Here I'm adding a little more water because I want the slime to be really elastic and stretchy. So yeah, you have to mix a lot. So I'll just repeat, we have Fevicol and we have our anti-dandruff Head and Shoulder shampoo, and we have paint. And now we are adding some baking soda. I like to add baking soda very little by little so that my solution doesn't have a lot of soda, because then it kind of makes your skin really weird. Now I'm adding the lens solution. You can use any lens solution, it will work. It's the best slime activator ever. Once you add the lens solution, everything starts to kind of bind into a slime. I think I need more baking soda, and like I said before, I add little by little so that I do not end up putting a lot of baking soda, because when you play with it, it kind of leaves a weird feeling in your hand and your skin kind of starts to get a little irritated. So that's the reason why I tried and use less baking soda. I'm giving it a nice stir and adding a little more lens solution, because once you start adding lens solution, that's when it kind of starts turning into a slime. There's no specific proportion of lens solution that I can mention here, because as you can see, it depends on how much you need to add to make the slime. It depends while making the slime, you just keep adding little by little and then you will know when to stop. Like you can see, the key to making a good slime is giving it a very nice mix. All the ingredients need to actually mix properly until it sticks no more to your hand. Like you can see, now my slime is almost ready because I mixed it so much with very less baking soda, Fevicol, shampoo and lens solution. So now that it's not sticking to my hand too much, I'll knead it with my hand. A little kneading will make the proper slime and ready to play with it. So I'm adding some lens solution to my hand. As you can see, the slime is sticking to my hand. So just to knead it properly, I'll keep adding lens solution to my hand. Oh great! Amazing! This has turned out to be amazing. You have to knead it until it kind of stop sticking to your hand, and it will be so much fun to play with it. You guys have to try this slime at home, and trust me, it's gonna be fun. There you go, our slime is almost ready, and it is super slimy and super fun to play with. Guys, you have to try this super easy slime recipe at home and make your own slimes of all the colors that you have, and let me know in the comment section below how did you like my video, and also send me a picture of the slime that you made at home. Let me know if you guys would like to see more slime videos, and on your request I shall make some more slime videos soon. And lastly, please like the video, comment, share and subscribe to Play with Kids. Thank you.